As winter settles in and the first snowflakes touch the ground, something magical begins to unfold outside our homes. Lights twinkle, wreaths glow, and front yards transform into sparkling wonderlands of Christmas cheer. This year, make your yard the heart of the holidays with outdoor Christmas decor that's warm, inviting, and full of festive spirit. From elegant reindeer displays to DIY Grinch setups, from cozy backyard lighting to grand front yard arrangements, every idea brings your outdoor space to life. So, grab your garlands, plug in the lights, and get ready to turn your yard into a glowing masterpiece that captures the true magic of Christmas. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your favorite place for holiday inspiration and creative decor. In today's video, we're diving into Christmas Yard Decor Ideas, a mix of classy, DIY, and whimsical designs that'll make your outdoor space shine bright all season long. Whether you're working with a small porch or a large front yard, these ideas will help you create a Christmas setup that spreads joy and wonder to everyone who passes by. What's the first step in planning your Christmas yard decor? Start with a theme: classic, rustic, or modern. Pick a color palette such as red and gold for warmth or white and silver for elegance. A clear theme keeps everything cohesive and helps your yard feel like one magical scene instead of a random collection of decorations. How can I make my yard decorations stand out at night? Lighting is everything. Use LED string lights, spotlights, and glowing pathway stakes. Wrap trees, fences, and shrubs for that enchanting holiday glow. Consider using warm white for elegance or multicolor lights for a festive, playful look. Love glowing Christmas nights? Hit like and share this video with your holiday decor friends. What are the best ways to decorate with Christmas reindeer? Reindeer instantly bring charm to your yard. Try placing a pair near your driveway or under a lit tree. Use light-up wire reindeer for a classy touch or wooden DIY ones for a rustic appeal. Add a red bow or wreath around the neck for extra festive flair. How can I create classy outdoor Christmas decorations? Stick to metallic accents, gold, silver, or bronze, and balance them with natural greenery like pine and cedar garlands. Add elegant lanterns, large ornaments, and a few oversized statement pieces. The trick is minimalism with sparkle. Less clutter, more glow. What's your Christmas style? Classic and elegant, or colorful and fun? Let us know in the comments below. What are some simple Christmas yard decor ideas for beginners? Start with a wreath, string lights, and a few lanterns. Place small potted evergreens by the door and hang ornaments from porch railings. Even a few simple elements, arranged with care, can make your yard look cozy and festive. What are some DIY Christmas yard decor ideas? Use old pallets to create wooden Christmas trees, or paint logs to resemble Santa, snowmen, or reindeer. You can also repurpose tin cans as luminaries with cutout stars and snowflakes. DIY pieces not only save money, but add heart and originality to your setup. For more creative projects, check out our DIY holiday decor playlist, linked in the description below. How can I incorporate a Grinch theme in my outdoor decor? Bring the mischievous charm of Whoville to life with DIY Grinch decorations. Use a painted cutout of the Grinch stealing lights or wrap garlands in a half-pulled style. Add pops of green, red, and white for a playful contrast that kids adore. What are some easy outdoor Christmas decorations for busy people? Inflatable displays, pre-lit trees, and plug-and-play reindeer sets save time while still making an impact. Add a few motion lights or projection snowflakes for instant holiday magic. No tools, no stress, just joy. If you love easy, stylish decorating ideas, don't forget to subscribe for more Christmas inspiration every week. How do I decorate my front yard for maximum impact? Layer your decor. Start at the entrance with wreaths and garlands, then move outward with lights, props, and accent pieces. Use symmetry, 2 reindeer, matching planters, or aligned pathway lights to create balance and harmony. What are great ideas for outdoor Christmas tree decorations? Choose durable, weatherproof ornaments in metallics, red, or white. Wrap the tree in lights from the bottom up and finish with a bold star topper. You can even mix real pine branches with artificial pieces for a fuller look. How can I decorate my backyard for Christmas? Hang string lights between trees, add a cozy fire pit, and decorate fences with garlands or hanging ornaments. If you have a gazebo or pergola, wrap it in lights for a twinkling retreat, perfect for winter evenings outside. What are creative Christmas yard decoration ideas for small spaces? Use vertical space, hang ornaments or wreaths on walls and doors. Add mini trees in planters or light up gift boxes. Compact displays, when well lit, look just as stunning as large setups. For more small space holiday decor tips, visit our Christmas Decor Ideas playlist, linked below. How can I make my decorations weather-resistant? Choose outdoor-rated lights, waterproof ornaments, and UV-resistant ribbons. You can also spray your decor with a clear weatherproof sealant to protect it from snow or rain while keeping it bright all season long. What's a fun way to involve kids in outdoor decorating? Let them paint wooden ornaments, hang candy canes, or help set up the inflatables. Give them their own mini section, like a kid's Christmas corner, so they can proudly display their creativity in your holiday yard. How can I make my yard decor look cohesive and magical? Stick to a theme, repeat certain elements, and use lighting to tie everything together. Think of your yard as a holiday story. Each piece should play a part. The goal isn't perfection, it's warmth, wonder, and the spirit of Christmas. Christmas decorating is more than lights and ornaments. It's a way to share joy with everyone who passes your home. Whether you love classy reindeer setups, DIY Grinch designs, or simple, cozy outdoor ideas, your yard can become a glowing reflection of the holiday spirit. So this year, bundle up, step outside, and let your creativity shine. Turn your front yard, backyard, or even your porch into a magical space that celebrates everything we love about Christmas. Family, light, and togetherness. If these Christmas yard ideas inspired you, hit like and share this video with your holiday-loving friends. What's your favorite outdoor theme? Classy elegance, DIY fun, or Grinch mischief? Tell us below. Explore our Christmas decor and DIY playlist for even more festive outdoor inspiration. Hit subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for new videos on holiday decorating, DIY crafts, and seasonal magic. Don't miss our other uploads on porch decor, wreath making, and Christmas centerpieces.